Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off adaptive battery protection on Samsung Galaxy S25. To do it, go to the settings, then go to battery. Now battery protection, make sure it's enabled and you can set it to adaptive. Click on OK. Sometimes it'll ask you to log into the Samsung account. I don't really understand why, and unfortunately this cannot be omitted. So if it asks you to log into the Samsung account, you have to in order to set it to adaptive, but I think it's worth it because it is a really good mode that charges your battery to 80% while you're asleep and then predicts at what time you're about to wake up, and an hour before that it charges up to 100, so it protects your phone from overcharging. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.